Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today we're gonna check out a iPhone 11 Pro case. This one is made in carbon fiber, and yes, it's from Pitaka. They actually make a lot of different great cases, stands, and mounts. Today we're gonna check out the iPhone 11 Pro case as well as the car mount. These one retails for $50 each, so you're looking at $100 in total. But yeah, these are premium cases, guys. But yeah, let's check it out. So yeah, let's have a look at them both. So I've got the case here as well as the mount, but let's just put that to the side and look at the case itself first. So this is the case packaging. So I've got the 8.5 inch, which is the iPhone 11 Pro, but you can get this for the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max as well. This one retails for €50, guys, as I said, which is on the steep side, but this is a premium carbon protection case and it's really strong, and you do have the magnet inbuilt as well. But yeah, as you can see, we've got some features there. The carbon, and it's only 0.85mm in thickness, so it's very thin, and you do have that wireless friendly as well, which is nice because some of the magnet cases does not have wireless charging due to the magnet disturbing that. But yeah, on the back we've got some more details where the magnets are. As you can see, it's placed above and below, so you can still use the wireless charging, which is really nice. But yeah, let's slide this out. Okay, so it's sliding out like that, and the case opens like that. Wow, got the case there. Put that to the side, and let's look at these. Nothing else inside. Let's just close that so it does not keep opening. So we've got a thank you message here, which is nice, with some instruction for feedback and help, which is always nice. So inside we have these stickers here. These is going to help you to get a tighter fit on the case. So if the phone is a bit loose, you can just stick one in here and it's going to give you a bit tighter seal. So that's always nice. But yeah, let's have a look at the case itself. So you can see it is extremely thin. Like, just look at that. But it's so strong, and you have the magnets inside as well. So that is really nice. But yeah, you've got a huge cutout for your volume rocker and your power. So it does not cover that. Same, we've got a cutout at the top, which is unusual. You normally don't get that, but you still have the bottom one. But let's just put this phone in here. So the phone is in, and you can see we've got a very tight fit here. So my phone is fine, but if you look, it does not give you any front protection, but this is a ultra thin lightweight case, guys, so you can't expect that, but you do get protection for the camera, which is nice, so that's a good thing. So when you have your phone down all the time, it's going to give you protection, but for your screen protector, it's not going to give you protection, so you can use a screen protector. I still don't use screen protector, but that depends on you. At the bottom, you do have a nice big cutout here for your lightning port as well as your speaker grills. Power button, nice big cutout, so there's no problems there. Same goes for the volume up and down as well as your rocker switch. And the top, we do have this new cutout as well. I think that actually looks nice to this gold, depending on what color phone you have. Nice, but this actually, like, so it's premium, guys. That's what I would say. Like, it's carbon fiber, so you know you're gonna showing off with this case. And at the price point, it is really expensive at €50. But yeah, if you're looking for something really thin and you just want a light protection but give you a very sturdy and dust case, this is going to do the job there. But yeah, let's put that to the side and let's have a look at the new mount Mac. Let's take this out. So this one retails for €50 as well, guys. So we've got a simple user guide here, how to set it up, but we're not going to look through that. So inside we have two different mounts depending on your car air vent or where you want to stick it on. So yeah, you've got a standard one which just goes into the air vents in your car. If not, if you want to stick it on top of the dashboard or something like that, you do have this one as well. So that's nice that you get both options. So this is the cable, so you do get a nice braided cable here, and it's type C at the end, as you can see. Goes to standard A, which is nice. So yeah, guys, the cable is nice and long, as you can see. It's not too long or not too short, but it should be fine in your car. and it's nice and braided, so that's a good thing. But yeah, let's put the cable to the side and let's have a look at the mount itself. So you've got the logo here, you do have this carbon fiber here, which is really nice, and you've got a silicone little edge here as well with this chrome bit around it. On the back it's just matte black, and you have loads of air vents here on there to make sure it cools down because of the wireless charging, so that's really nice. That is, yeah, it's nice, like there's nothing to complain, guys. But yeah, let me connect this up and see how well the wireless charging works. So it's powered on now, so let's just put my phone here and it's charging, and just that's charging. Let's just try again. Let's get that to stop. Put it in. It's charging, and like let's take the cable out here so I don't pull the plug anywhere. But you can see that's a tight fit, guys. Like that's not gonna come off easily. Like I am trying hard to pull this off. Like it's a nice fit. Like as you can see, guys, I'm pulling really hard, but in your car journey, if you're going over a bump and stuff like that, it's not gonna fall off, so that's good. I've had one in the past where it keeps falling off and I go over a speed bump too fast, but here as you can see it's not falling off, so it's gonna stay there nicely. And I'm sure you can move this as well, like yeah, it's plugged in here, you can move it like that, which is nice. Yes, I know it's on the expensive side, guys, but this is a premium brand and it's a premium carbon fiber. Details you're getting ultra slim, but you are getting that heavy dust feel and that protection as well from the carbon fiber. But yeah, I really like it. It feels good in the hand, and like I got nothing to complain. Yes, it's on the expensive side, as I'm saying again and over, because I know you can pick up like this one. It's not that expensive, and I've had other cases like way cheaper, under the $20, 20 euros, but 50. It's expensive, but it's a premium, guys. Like the fuel, it's worth it. I'm saying it's worth the price. Like I really like it, and with the dock, I'm gonna use this in my car now. Like it's only the best one I can use. The feel and everything, so that's nice. But yeah, I like it, guys. I'm gonna leave a link in the description as always, guys, so you can check it out. But it's just really nice. So yeah, as you saw, guys, the case is really nicely fit. That carbon fiber finish is just wow. It's just really nice, guys. That feel of it is just really nice. Yes, it is expensive, but you're paying for what you're getting. This is a 1,000+ phone, so spending £50 on a premium strong case, it's reasonable, guys, and I do love it. And with the dock as well for the car is really nice. And it's sturdy, as you saw, guys, it didn't fall off. So if you're driving over bumps or cracks in the road, the phone is not going to fall off. I've had others in the past with the phone would just slide off with the magnet, but you do get the magnet as well as you get that wireless charging, which is like the best feature, because if you got a case with the magnet inside, you can't get wireless charging. So with this, it's wireless friendly, which is really nice. So it works on wireless charger and stacks as well. But you saw the mount, it is a wireless charging mount as well, which is really nice. But guys, I really like it. Yes, it's expensive, but I'm digging it. And if you do want to check it out, guys, I'll leave a link in the description. They do make different cases as well for the different phones. But yeah, these guys makes amazing carbon fiber cases. I've had one of theirs in the past for my iPhone 8, but didn't pick it up for my iPhone 10. But I've got for iPhone 11 now. So yeah, as always, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one, guys. Take care.